everyone, my name is Leon and welcome back to another video. I make content every single day based around video production, making money online, tutorials and business, so if that's what you're interested in then I strongly suggest you subscribe. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add a FACECAM border to your videos in Premiere Pro. So without wasting any of your time, let's jump into it. Okay guys, so I'm on Premiere Pro as you can see, and the first thing I'm going to do is obviously get a piece of footage that obviously we can put, well, the border around. And I'm just gonna go for, well, just a random fucking video. So, for example, this one. And obviously what you want to do now is just drag the video onto the timeline, as obvious. And now essentially what you're going to do is just, let me just cut the part. Just around 15 seconds, because at the end of the day, there's a zoom in at the beginning of every video So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut a part out. And now what you want to do is essentially is just go to Effect Controls and click on one of these. Or if you're not lazy, you can do sort of, yeah, you can basically use the pen tool and, you know, do essentially this. But that's not what we're doing. So just click on the create ellipse mask or 4-point polygon mask. I'm gonna go for polygon because it makes a lot more sense. And essentially just for crying out loud. Let me remove it. Clear. There we are. Perfect. There we are. Made a slight mistake, but we move. Oh, nothing to do. There we are. Right around there. Now, obviously, what you want to do next is just decrease the size. That should be good. Now, stick in whatever corner you wish. Well, you prefer. Like that. Now, grab your FACECAM border. Essentially, just so just drag that onto your, basically, right here. I'm just gonna, Now, what we want to do is decrease the size of that till it. Wait. Again, I'll. Right now that. Fuck. Now that should just. I haven't got OCD. I just want to make sure that everything's looking good. Better than nothing. So, yeah, that's essentially it. Okay, so that is how you basically add a FACECAM border to your videos in Premiere Pro. If you found this video valuable, then be sure to subscribe for more with the bell on. Drop a like and share the video around to boost its search rankings and help the channel grow. And if you have any questions or just general areas for me to improve on, then be sure to leave them in the comments section or message me via Instagram or Snapchat. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Take care everyone.